Look at
It's gonna go up the
that!
East Coast.
That is so cool! I'm watching a rocket launch. Look at that! What? Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow!
It goes all the way up the East Coast to like Nova Scotia. It just follows the East
Look
Coast.
at that! All right, so they changed the time.
Look how it's got the oh man.
Look at that!
Last May we were down here.
That's going fast.
Awesome. And with SpaceX, the stage was off.
Wow! We just saw the rocket launch. Oh, there it goes. We can see it coming through the clouds.
Right, that's what I mean.
That coming down.
Yeah.
You'll see it right out.
Look at that.
But
I see it's glowing over on this side even. I guess.
There it is right now. It's right here.
Okay.
See it?
Okay. Yep. It's light
It
orange.
follows the East Coast.
Okay. I'm gonna zoom in.
My son and I got a chance to come down to Cape Canaveral and watch the first crewed mission, SpaceX. And it was quite an event. But he's going to launch another one tomorrow at 10.
So what is that? Maybe that's the moon over there.
Right?
Okay, that's the moon.
Right?
there's a reason why he's trying to buy Twitter.
That's the moon right
They're gonna
there.
have all these satellites.
The clouds are so thick.
Starlink.
Wow.
So
That is
somewhere right about here by now.
okay. So we should just look straight up, see if we can see it.
Is she on the phone with you?
No, I told her I had to call her back.